Today's video, I'm going to show you step by step on how you are going to, what you are going to do to increase your monthly income. First step is to calculate how much you get in a month. Every month, calculate how much you are getting in a month. Then the second step is to increase what you are getting in the month by 30%. I say 30% because this is about law of attraction. This is about law of assumption, law of attraction, and it deals with our belief system, our mindset. So you are going to increase it through your mindset. So if you have a single doubt, it's not going to work if you doubt it. That is why I said 30%, so that you won't doubt it. But if you have faith, you can do 50%. You can increase it to 50%. So what you are going to do is, if you are earning 100,000 or 30,000, 20,000, 10,000, 1 kobo, 1 cent, anything you are earning in a month, increase it by 30%. You are earning 100K. If you are earning 100K, increase it by 30%, which is 130,000. So you write it down. You write it down. In this month, I am going to get 130,000. Then, after increasing it, after writing it down, in this month, you specify the month and the year. In this month, I'm going to get 130,000. Even if you don't write it down, say it in your mind like you mean it. Then, next step, what you are going to do is take water, hold it with your 2 hands like this. Make sure your two palms are holding the water tight, because we are mostly made of water, so water is very important. Hold it with your 2 palms like this and tell yourself, I'm a magnet to money. Money always come my way. I have wealth and abundance. You say that like 3 times, 4 times. When you are done saying those things, you drink the water. Then the next thing you are going to do again is this. Any money you have in your hand, any amount you have, just take a note of it. Just take the money, place it on your chest, and say it again. I'm a magnet to money. Money always comes my way. I have wealth in abundance. I'm a magnet to money. Money always comes my way. I have wealth in abundance. Then carry it to your forehead. Hold it and say it again. I'm a magnet to money. Money always comes my way. I have wealth in abundance. Then as you're saying it, make sure you are seeing it. Make sure as you're closing your eyes and saying it, make sure you are seeing the money. Let your mind see the money you are holding. Let your mind see it. Picture the money in your mind as you're holding it, closing your eyes. Just see it through your mind while closing your eyes, and say those words. Morning, before you go out, then in the night before you sleep. Make sure it's the last thing you do before you sleep. You should do this 7 days. Then forget about it. Don't think about it anymore. Don't think about money. Just be grateful. Thank your God. Thank universe. Thank your Allah. Thank whatever you believe in. Just be grateful. Have a heart of gratitude and go about your day. In the morning when you are doing it, you believe it, have faith, do it, then go about. Don't think about it anymore. Yeah, don't think about it. Just go about your normal way and don't plan how you're going to get it, because even if you plan it, it is not going to come the way you plan it. It will just come naturally. Just trust God, trust the universe. Whatever you believe in, just trust it. Yeah, it's going to work, and definitely it will work for you. So guys, I wanted to save this video. I want you guys to save this video and do this exercise. Come back to the comment section and let me know if it works for you. If you have done it, let me know if it works for you. It is going to help the others that will watch this video. Please also share the video to others that you think might need it. And thank you guys for watching. My name is Edith Abake. I love you guys.